Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today Bitcoin is going up, which means, exactly as I predicted, Stacks is also moving up, guys. A lot of people have been wondering what's happening with the Stacks ecosystem, from the memes to the utility tokens to Stacks itself. Had a tough couple months here. After a mega Stacks meme coin mania and some of the utility tokens in that space absolutely boomed, it looked like just the floor was pulled out from underneath. And why? Because Bitcoin came tumbling down, so did the Stacks token, and the entire ecosystem came down as well. We were also anticipating a major upgrade for the Stacks ecosystem, the Nakamoto upgrade, which is just a little behind schedule. The developers actually pushed out their timeline a little bit into the fall more so, but a lot of people actually enjoyed that. Though, again, as Bitcoin fell, Stacks fell. So today we're getting a recovery, and exactly as we predicted, as Bitcoin is recovering, Stacks is recovering. Let's take a peek at these tokens, what I'm seeing, and what I think comes next as I'm speculating on this, looking for a Bitcoin DeFi mania in the upcoming bull market, which still has a lot of room to move left, guys. The presidential election is talking about crypto. We've got major institutions like BlackRock and now Vanguard FOMOing into Bitcoin. It's a beautiful thing. I think there's a lot of venture capital looking at Bitcoin DeFi layer 2 solutions and enhancing what's going on Bitcoin. And so I think we still got a lot more room to run. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. And exactly as we talked about, guys, Bitcoin getting a beautiful bounce here. If it happened, guys, what did I expect? I expected Stacks to also get a move up, and Solana too. Solana's moving up as well, and as is Ethereum, which recently came below 3,000 and is now trying to make its way back above. Let's see if it pans out, guys. I did a live stream earlier today, and I asked the folks on my live stream, which 77% of them said they think Bitcoin can hit $70,000 today. Maybe not today, but soon. Things are looking good. We got some short squeezes happening, and that is excellent. And so again, as Bitcoin can come up and we see this trying to make its way up, and one thing we've been looking at quite a bit, guys, is when you go out to the weekly time frames and you just see what's going on with Bitcoin. Again, once we wick above our previous highs, we have that stretch of parabolic bull market. We've wicked above it, and we've had a little premature early bull market move, kind of consolidated recently. It's been a little over 70 days, and we're waiting for this next, big circle move. When does it come? It hasn't come yet, but when that does happen, guys, I told you Stacks would come up. And so what I had drawn here was maybe the move coming for Stacks, and I thought, hey, maybe we come down to this 200-day moving average for Stacks, get a little bit of a move, a little cup kind of forming here, and the move back up to the previous high and to the upside. This thing is still at an incredible discount, guys. Right now, down still 45%, guys. At one point, this thing was down 50%, presenting a beautiful opportunity. And if you guys bought the low on this thing, right, you could already be up 17% on your money if you bought the recent low that we put in, which is a very beautiful thing. And there's no guarantees, guys, that, Bitcoin keeps going up right now. But again, we are looking for that parabolic move to the upside. You know about the bull cycle. You know about the Bitcoin halving. You know that there's parabolic rally after the Bitcoin halving by now. And if you don't, you got to look at the history of Bitcoin. There's the 4-year cycle that everybody talks about. And we're coming up to that leg up in a price discovery mode moment, a true price discovery mode moment for Bitcoin, where we find new highs weekly, monthly, sometimes daily, for an extended period of time. And then inevitably we come into a bear market, which we don't even have to worry about the bear market yet, because I just don't think that that's coming anytime soon. Of course, I could be wrong, but again, beautiful to see Stacks coming up today. So as Stacks is coming up today, and Bitcoin is, a lot of the coins in the market are. And so as we see that, we're going to see a lot of these coins that have been cooling off lately. Here's Alex Labs, a token that I told you guys quite a bit about. It's the super app for Bitcoin DeFi. Now there's a competitor, Veller, another super app for Bitcoin. There's other ones out there. There's competition is growing, but still Alex Labs is a fantastic platform. I like it a lot. This token went to a high of almost 50 cents, had some big wicks to the upside. But really wasn't true price action. Really got up to about a peak of almost 50 cents. Right now down at 22 cents. So again, another beautiful 50% discount. If Stacks continues to go up, I would expect Alex token as well to get more moves to the upside, hopefully, as well as some of these meme coins in this space, like ones that we've been talking about. Here's Veller, again, a competitor to Alex Labs. This thing launched and kind of came down. This launched right after the mania for Stacks kind of cooled off as Bitcoin cooled off. So the timing wasn't just beautiful for that, but If Stacks continues to move up, I wouldn't be surprised if this token found a bottom, a huge discount from when you could have got this thing, a 2x, 100% gain back to the previous high, and I think it could see that, though the market cap on this is quite big, and so, something to keep in mind. But some of the memes we've talked about, WELSH. If you look at what happened with WELSH in the past, I had somebody ask me about it on my live stream today. Look at this descending wedge that happened for WELSH back from all the way from December all the way into February, guys. A couple months created this beautiful wedge, and then all of a sudden, boom, it broke out to the upside. And we had a Stacks season, and this is corresponding beautifully with the Stacks price, because that's how it works, guys. When Bitcoin goes up, Stacks goes up. When Stacks goes up, these tokens can go up. There's no guarantees that these things go up. At the end of the day, WELSH specifically is a meme, right? It's a meme token, and we know about meme tokens by now. We got to take profit, guys. We got to make sure that we're not investing more than we're willing to lose. We also got to be aware that these things have insane volatility, and there's no guarantees for meme coins, guys. But this is the first dog meme token ever built on Bitcoin, and that makes me bullish in its own right. So I'm going to continue to watch this thing. And again, if another wedge plays out like this, and that could be happening, guys, this wedge is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. All of a sudden, if we break out to the upside, I mean, if we see this thing hit into this 40, almost 2042 cent region, then we are going to get that move probably back to the upside. And as well, same thing kind of with Gus, which is kind of having a descending wedge as well. I don't really see much more downside for this, though. These are insane discounts. Like, if WELSH goes back to its previous highs, my friends, then we're looking at, what did it go to? Like 1.3 cents. It's right now, it's almost a 10x at this point, back to its previous highs. It's like a 7x back to its previous highs. That's a beautiful thing, my friends, and that's just mental math off the top of the head. So, take a calculator there, but beautiful gains if these things recover. And I do expect them to have a chance to recover, guys. And these are just two. There's so many coins in here, from, Rock to Biddy to I don't know. I don't know which ones are the best, guys. Again, this is all pure speculation, but I do believe in that layer 2 solutions are a very obvious play when it comes to looking at Bitcoin DeFi. Stacks is the largest layer 2 solution out there for Bitcoin, and it is getting a little recovery right now. And I would expect this to translate into hopefully a recovery for the other utility tokens in the Stacks ecosystem and the meme coins in that space. Guys, that's the update I have for you on that today. That is all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Please remember, guys, this is not financial advice. But as always, you can DCA, HODL, do your own research, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.